Sometimes a form may appear as too intrusive. In this case, you can use it as a widget or a footer. To do that, first, create the form you want to use as a widget. We have a detailed tutorial on how to create a form using WP Fluent Forms. The link is given in the description box. After you've created your form, go to the WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance on the left sidebar. Click on Widgets. Scroll down to WP Fluent Forms in the Available Widgets section. Now drag and drop it on a sidebar or footer position that you like. Fill in a title if you want, and from a drop-down menu, select the form that you want to use as a widget. Click on the Save button and preview. Voila! Your form will now appear as a widget on your sidebar or footer. Try this and tell us about your experience in the comments. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.